around the late 1990s or maybe early 2000s, a Pauline priest painter, Father Armand Tangi, SSP, made a beautiful painting with a title, Laughing Christ. At hindi ko po alam, marahil na-enkwentro nyo na po yung image or yung picture na iyon. Until now, I think it is still available. His description of Jesus laughing or smiling is not very far from the Jesus who lived 2,000 years ago together with his disciples and with his people. He smiled at his parents. He smiled at his disciples. He smiled to people. He smiled to struggling sinners wanting or exerting effort in conversion. Nginitian din niya kahit ang mga nagnanais magbago, kahit hirap na hirap magbago. This is one thing I wish to offer to you, my dear brothers and sisters, as we reflect our readings for today. A smiling God, a smiling Jesus. A smiling Jesus and a smiling Lord, not because something funny is happening, but the Lord smiles because someone is doing his best to be good. Someone is taking to heart well what God is telling all of us. Ito po ang tinanggap na biyaya ng mga Israelita sa narinig po nating unang pagbasa. May ngiti sa labi ng Diyos, hindi dahil katawa-tawa sila o katawa-tawa yung kanilang mga ginawa, kundi nagsumikap silang magbago. Ngumiti ang Diyos, hindi lang ibig sabihin na masaya ang Diyos dahil nagbago sila, kundi masaya silang nagpursige at nakita nilang malinaw at maganda ang buhay na kanilang hinaharap sa kanilang pagbabago. And likewise, we heard how Jesus commended the scribe who asked him about the first of all the commandments. Jesus smiled not only because he knew it, but Jesus affirmed him because he took that into his own heart. My dear brothers and sisters, the Lord is not only smiling when we get to the end point of our struggles or even to our own Calvary if we wish to renew our lives. Kung bakit po tayo nagpupursigi at nagpapatuloy, dahil may Diyos na nakangiti sa atin. Sa bawat nagpupursigi, sa bawat lumalaban, sa bawat nagbabago, ngiti ng Diyos ang nagpapalakas dito. Ngiti ng Diyos ang nagpapalakas sa mga ito na katulad natin. God is not a grumpy old guy who would be so pessimistic to us na parang sasabihin niya, kung ngayon nagpursigi ka, itaga mo sa bato, bukas, babagsak ka din. But no. God is smiling at us and telling us, you have struggled, you have understood well my wishes and my will for you. You might fall back again, but we will continue. Lalaban tayo. May ibibigay pa akong pagkakataon. May bukas pa para sa iyo. God smiles not to tease, but to inspire those struggling, those putting much effort in facing a new life, and those understanding and embracing God's most holy will. God smiles in order to inspire. He inspires in order for us to move on and be the best version of ourselves in this life.